Opportunities for inferential reasoning really start with the good questions that we pose. At the beginning of a statistics investigation, or perhaps throughout your exploration with data, the kinds of questions that we pose and we think about have to lead towards generalizations that go beyond the data at hand. We'll take a careful look about what inferential reasoning is really all about. And we'll think specifically about the key statistical habits of mind that we want to develop that really promote inferential reasoning. For example, when a student is collecting data and doing an investigation, they want to be able to make claims and generalizations from that data, but they need to recognize that there's always going to be a level of uncertainty in those claims. A key idea in making inferences is reasoning about patterns and trends and relationships that we might see in a sample of data to make claims about a larger collection or population or a process that may have generated that sample. Sometimes a sample is generated or collected from a population where we are making claims about that population, such as a stratified random sample of voters to be able to make some claims about what might happen in an election. Other times, a sample is generated from a process such as measuring repeatedly the perimeter of a table or repeatedly tossing a water bottle. In these instances, the goal is to use the sample of data to make a claim about the underlying model. For example, with the perimeter of a table and having a range of a good estimate for the actual perimeter of the table, or building a model for the likelihood of the various positions that a water bottle may land in.